everyone, Olivia from Star Gossip here. Lindsey Vonn is defending her Olympics comeback. What do you think of her return? Let me know in the comments.
Lindsey Vonn is breaking her talente after facing backlash over her daring return to the 2026 Winter Olympics. At 41 manne gies die net wetter competing again especially after a brutal injury was terug het move. Critics even labelet herself as a voortaking a two-fitted Olympic sport. Bid Vonn isn't holding back in addressing the controversy. Bid Vonn isn't holding back in addressing the controversy. In a heartfelt post, sy made it clear that her decision to return was about passion. Perseverance and personal achievement, not about stepping on anyone else's dreams. Vonn's career has always been defined by resilience, from Olympic medals to World Cup victories. And this come back only reinforces her status as one of the sport's most fearless figures. The 2026 games weer vir from ESA for Vonn.